Hey everyone, welcome to our Bizistech YouTube channel. This is me, Shafaq Yunus. Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to discuss about how to calculate profit margin on Amazon if you want to launch a product or want to calculate the profit or loss of any existing product which you already have, because it's very important that you should know about how much you are investing and how much profit you will have after paying all the expenses and Amazon fees. Firstly, we will look what is profit and loss in business. Then we will discuss the importance of profit and loss in business. So let's start it with the profit. What is profit? It is the amount left after subtracting your total expenses from your total revenue. And what about the loss? A loss is an excess of expenses over revenues, either for a single business transaction or in reference to the sum of all transactions for an accounting period. Now we will discuss the importance of profit and loss in businesses. Profit and loss are indicator of a company health. Profit and loss statement refers to a financial statement that summarizes the revenues, costs, expenses bear during a specified period, usually a quarter or fiscal year. Profit is important in any businesses. We are started any business for earning profit and it's totally risky, but we have to do it for profit. Before this era, people thought that businesses are done by those persons who are going to shop or anywhere physically, but now it's technology era. People start businesses at home for earning profit. So let's get started into detail that from Amazon perspective, what is profit and loss. In Amazon, we have several ways to calculate your profit margin, but some accurate and authentic way is to use FBA calculator. After putting all the values in FBA calculator, we can get the results to put in our record for matching the predicted profit margin. So we had checked all the importance, and now we have to look how to calculate profit margin in Amazon Seller Central. First of all, you have to go any web browser and search FBA Revenue Calculator Seller Central. Here I am gonna write FBA Calculator and I'm gonna select the first one. After opening that link, there will be a two option on your screen. You can either go with the guest mode, but here I will sign in Seller Central. Then we have to select our region, let's say US. You can see here so many regions are showing, but I'm gonna select the US region. Then we have to put ASIN of any product relevance to our, whose dimension and detail are matching with our product. So firstly we have to go to the amazon.com. Okay, I'm choosing the product computer desk. You can choose anything you want. Then I will open any one of product and take one ASIN. I'm gonna copy the ASIN and I will paste here. Then search for it. And you will have the FBA calculator. Here I will just go for FBA, and you can either go with fulfillment by merchant as well. And if you want to go more detail about this topic, then don't worry, there is already a video uploading on our Bizistech channel. So I'm just telling you the main thing here. For more detailed understanding about FBA calculator, you can go to Bizistech YouTube channel. So first one is sale price. You have to put your sale price here. Sale price is the price required for selling on Amazon. For this, you can take idea from your competitor price. Let's say people are selling it to 74.99. Now we have to put ship to Amazon cost right here, which is $10. It is basically DDP price, which means the shipment cost from China to USA warehouse that can be provided by manufacturer. And on cost of goods sold, I'm gonna put my manufacturer price, which is $22. This is how you can calculate your profit and loss using the automated FBA revenue calculator. But you can do all this calculation manually as well, simply on Excel by your own. For that you need to write selling price, means the price on which you are selling your product on Amazon. That includes all the expenses and profit margin you want to get per item. The expenses include manufacturing price. This is the per unit cost of your product in which it is manufactured or sourced. Shipping price, the per unit price of shipment to Amazon warehouse. Then the other one is referral fee. This is the 15% of your selling price. Fulfillment fee by Amazon for that product. Storage cost per unit product which Amazon take from you to store your product in Amazon warehouse. This can be used only when you are doing FBA. And here we will add some more detail which we cannot add using the revenue calculator, and that is advertisement cost for that product. Let me show you how to do it practically. So I already created a format, but first we have to put screenshot of the FP revenue calculator. Then I will copy this screenshot and I will add on my Excel sheet. So now I'm going to put my sale price here, which is 74.99. And the other one is the manufacturing cost. Then I will add my manufacturing cost per unit, which is $22. Then I will add my shipping cost per unit, which is $10. Then I will add my referral fee, which is the 15% of your sale price. So I add my referral fee, which is 11.25. So after referral fee, I'm going to put my FBA fee, which is 9.53. Then I will put my storage fee, which is $1. And then I will add my PPC cost, which is $4. To find out your profit per pack, you have to subtract your sale price from your cost per pack price. So here is the result of your profit per pack, which is 17.21. Now I'm going to find profit percentage. This we can get by doing this formula. We have divided profit per unit to sale price, then multiply by 100. From this way you can calculate your profit margin through Excel. So now I am going to telling you some more suggestion from an Amazon expert which we can use. One main thing is important to know here, that while calculating the profit, these days Amazon is increasing its fees often. So in order to get regular profit on your product, you should keep this thing in mind as well. For price war, we have to keep in mind that the price we set for our product should not be too high, as in the start we cannot generate a lot of sales with the price on which our competitors are selling. And when our product got enough reviews and ranking, then we should at least list our product with the profit margin of 20 to 25%. So that if in the future we need to reduce the price, we're still able to generate profit and avoid loss. Commonly, when our product got good enough reviews, then we can take part in the price competition and can increase the price of our product, which will automatically increase our profit margins. Because normally when you rank on top, then due to the fast sales volume and conversion rate, the process of generating profit will be speed up. So this was all about how to calculate the profit and loss for your Amazon business. If you need any question related to this topic, you can ask in the comment section below. For more information related Amazon selling, please do like and follow our channel for all updates and useful information about Amazon. This is all about from my side. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.